Hi, welcome to Absolute Wonder. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notification, it's all free. Have you ever been stuck solving math problems at an odd hour of the day? Or is your math textbook like mine, which has answers to exercises at the end of the book? But that is all there is to it. Have you ever sought a website peradventure where you could just put in your math question and get solution to your problem? Then this video is for you. In this video, we'll be introducing you to an app that can be used to solve the vast majority of math problems you may encounter as a student in elementary, middle, and high school respectively. Problems ranging from elementary math to algebra, calculus, statistics, geometry, and trigonometry. Come with me as I introduce you to Photomath. Photomath is a math learning app that reads and solves mathematical problems instantly just by taking a picture of your math problem with the camera of your mobile device. Firstly, we download the app. Photomath is available on both the Play Store for Android users and the App Store for iPhone users. I'm using an Android device, so I'll open my Play Store app. On the search bar, type Photomath. This should load a page with the Photomath icon and a button to install. Tap the Install button. The installation process should take about a minute or so depending on your internet connection. After the installation, enable Photomath and open it. Choose your desired language and tap the Let's Go button. You can skip the app function description and jump straight into using the app. This app helps you scan math problems for instant results, and to understand the solution path to math problems you give to the app through its step-by-step instructions. It also has a smart calculator that explains the procedures it takes to provide you with answers and exploring a variety of solution paths. You need to grant Photomath access to take pictures and record videos. Photomath also has a pro version with added features which you can try for free for 7 days. Awesome! Now you're ready for a wonder. Ensure that your math problem is within the bounding box and that your capture is clear before tapping the red button. Our math equation is y plus 31 equals 5. Wonderful! We can even see the solution steps. Even the graph of the equation is plotted, and the different forms in which it can be written is examined. I hope you are learning something new from this video. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends. So, let's continue. Now, let's see an example on trigonometry. Our question is sin pi plus cos pi. Awesome! We have our answer, -1 since pi equals 180 degrees, sin pi equals 0 and cos pi equals -1. You could exploit many ways of solving a math problem. Take for example a system of equation with say, 2 variables. There is more than one way to go about this, and Photomath takes us through all the processes. Let's take a look. We expand the view pane so that our question is fully scanned. Awesome! Photomath proves to us that there are about 6 different ways to solve a system of equations. It even plots a graph. Terrific! In Photomath is a smart calculator. In your everyday calculator, if you were to calculate, say, 20 combination 5, you'd get your answer to be 15,504 only. With Photomath's smart calculator, there is more. You get an answer and you get a solution and steps that lead to the answer all in this amazing app. Photomath also keeps a record of every calculation you make, making it easy to go back to your solutions. You can also delete individual records. What do you need for this great wonder? Just a smartphone with Photomath installed and access to the internet. Alright, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed or learned anything new from this video, click the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with your friends. It is very important for the growth of this channel. If you have any questions to ask, write them down in the comment section, and I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.